Okay, this is take two of my beer bread escapade. Because the last time I tried to make beer bread, I used non-alcoholic beer. Well, it's holidays again. And this time, I got the right beer. So I've got my beer, self-rising, raising flour, rising, who's rising? White sugar, and my butter. So Jamie Oliver and that chap that swears such a lot, I forget his name. Eat your heart out, mates. Here we go. All right, so the first thing to do is to have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And we have now already opened Awesome Edmonds. And we're now going to get our 3 cups. And please just take note, you are a star. And it's got to be me. Ha ha! I love this bread baking caper. Okay, here we go. So the first one has got to go. And I'm going to pour this with my left hand while I'm sort of videoing with the right hand. Now to get it again with this lefty of mine into the stuff. There we go. It's okay. And we're now going to do the thingy, shake, shake, thump, thump, but I can't thump it with my other hand. But I'll just shake, 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 shake your booty. Oh, hang on, we're not allowed to talk about booties, yeah? Shake, shake, shake your flour, bum, buddly bum, go, 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 there we go. And we're just about ready. And that's the first cup. And there we have it. 3 cups of self-rising flour has now been sifted. And it's actually still fairly clean. All right, now 3 tablespoons. And I think that's a tablespoon. I know it's not a teaspoon because a teaspoon is a small one. Now, what's the difference between a dessert spoon and a tablespoon? There's 1. Here we go for the second. 2. Get the camera centered. Bye-bye. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar has gone in right now. Ah, honey, honey, you are my candy girl. There's a song like that somewhere. I know about that one. And you've got me loving you. Sugar, sugar. Ah, honey, honey. Something like that. Okay. Ooh, shit. I nearly dropped it there. All right. So now we go. And if I go on what those people on TV always say, I fold in the sugar. So I haven't just mixed it. But I'm trying to fold with my left hand, videoing with the right hand, so it looks a bit clumsy. But I mean, fold is a fold. It looks yum. All right. So now I've got to go and grease the pan, which will be the next exciting installment of this awesome bread baking caper. I am just going to try and cut a piece of the butter. Go, knifey, go, 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 go. Don't. Oof, we just about made it, I think. All right, so now we've got the butter there. And we say, bye, butter. The pan has now been lightly buttered. Now, time for the good stuff. Now, the last time I did this little baking caper, I made the boo-boo of having beer without alcohol in it. Please note, there's 4% alcohol here. There's another little issue that I've got. Apparently it's got to be something like 12 ounces. And this is 440 milliliters. Now, I'm not sure what 12 ounces is. But if I'm not mistaken, it's got something to do with the size of a cup, or just more than a cup, or a normal beer can. And you know what that means. If this one is bigger than the normal one, guess what I'm going to do now? And there she goes. All right, I might then just have to have a sip or two just to bring it down to 12 ounces. And here we welcome back our little blue friend with the white inside our little mixing bowl. But now we're going to add our 12 ounces thereabout. But I must say there's a little less than 440 molds left in. There we go. There we go. Bacchus, what have you given us? So here we go. But now keep in mind there's nothing to hold the bowl in place. So we will, I hope I haven't, maybe I should have had a sip more. Ew, that can be interesting. All right. Okay, folks, the rest of this is just going to be mixing. We've got to this point now. I am just not sure what the consistency must be. Is it supposed to be squishy a bit? Because it's starting to become sticky. Don't worry, I've washed my hands about 20 times. And tasting, it doesn't really have a distinctive taste to it. I wonder. Well, in any case, this is going into the pan now. Right, we've got it in the baking pan. And now we've done the bash. Interesting. So I need to get it all into the four corners. Don't forget, it needs to be flat. Smash, bash. All right, folks, we're back to You Are a Star. And we've got, well, supposed to have a 1/4 cup of butter. And we will have it once we've gone and put it in the micro. And in goes the star. Close it. I wonder how much. 2 minutes? No, maybe too much. Let's go for 1, 3, 0. There we go. Here, something's boiling inside. Ooh, I might have overdone it a little bit. Oops. Hope this bloody thing doesn't burn me. No, it's all good. There we go. Ah, yay! And here we go. Oh. This looks yummy like. Okay, we'll get a bit of butter out of these corners. Let's do that like so. I assume there's no health conscious freaks on our Facebook sites. I've got to have a good look at what I'm doing so I don't burn myself. And there we go in. And have a last look at our golden buttery topped bread. Better close this because it's been preheated and it's losing all its heat. And now we wait for 50 minutes. Voila! And ably assisted by my assistant. There we do the hippie shake. Poof! Yes, there's bread all over the place. All right. And tip it out. And put it down. Ooh. It's baked through and through. There's no smudgy parts on the inside. It's nice and warm. And it looks good. And it smells good. Now for some butter and cheese. Okay, Leandre, what is your view about this stunningly, absolutely magically tasting yummy bread, beer bread? What do you think?
It's absolutely amazingly stunning. It's delicious.
And Manette, not de Klerk, what is your view about this awesome bread that your dad, this person has made?
I will pay to eat this.
You will pay.
See, I'm not too good with gluten. I will eat this
And pay for it
and
later.
pay for it later because I can't have much gluten. But I will pay for it because it's so good.